Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, welcome. My name is James. I'm an interior designer here in Ireland, and please hit that subscribe button, it really helps a lot. I've linked all my social media and everything down below. Go check that out, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these stunning flower wreaths. You can make them for like any kind of season. It's not just like Christmas or winter time, because you can change out the flowers to suit the season. I'll be showing you how to do one for like spring, summer and all that throughout the year, but for now this is like one that was made over winter, and I'm just going to show you how to do it. And actually my mum is in this video, so you'll get to meet her as well. She was very shy to start, and so was I, because it was kind of awkward because like never done that before. But she got really into it then, and like I had a really good time doing it. So yeah, let's get into this. So we're using palm leaves.
So you need about 24, I'd say, pieces. It depends. You'll know as you're going how many pieces you'll need. So you trim off the bottom. So you have.
Are these ones down here?
No.
Oh, so they're pointy.
So that stick into the oasis. And you trim them so they soak up the water and they last longer.
That's before, and this is after they're trimmed.
So you trim the back because you don't want to be putting big fat pieces into it.
Okay. So you trim them like this.
You can use any kind of a flat leaf. I'm using pan. But if you have any other kind of flat leaf around the house, you can use that. This is just your greenery. You're just filling in. Okay. So you're going to start. You're going to bring it, so you go there, and you get another piece kind of the same length, you bring it in and down, and you keep going around, in and down, and you use all the same kind of lengths. So you come in the other side, then you go in, you're just kind of resting it on the lip, so it's kind of hanging over. The idea is to cover all this bottom part. So in and down. That's a bit too long now, that one, but this one is a good one. In and down. In and down. It's a bit long, that one. This is a good one here. You can bring it this way, I suppose. In and down. Go wrong with the oasis, if you put a plant in, don't ever pull it out, just leave it in, because you'll make holes in the oasis and it'll make it very weak.
So we're using rhododendron, is that what it's called?
Yeah. So you cut that like that in a slide.
Okay.
This is just filling. We're filling. We have to just fill. So this is kind of a flattish kind of a plant, so this one can go next.
Okay. And what's this plant?
Don't know, something I found outside.
This rhododendron as well. Is this all rhododendron?
Yeah. Some of it might be too big now to use.
And this?
That's another plant in fact, I don't know what the name of that one is.
So it's good to have like a variety of
yeah, different shapes.
Different shapes. And kind of cut them all kind of like
them all at a
small.
slant. And it's a slant. Just to soak up the water.
So far, we have the, what are they called again?
Rhododendrons.
Rhododendrons, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but we have them in now, all along. And then mine is less impressive, because I only have two. But that's what we have so far. And what are we going to next?
This is ivy.
We're putting ivy on the next. So how do we place the holly?
Well, you're going to place the holly. You have to you have to work with it. You have to kind of go like that. So where it does look good, it looks good. Kind of in between. So you do the same thing. You pare off the bottom part of it. So it's a nice.
So it's kind of pointy.
Yeah. And you just kind of bring it in like that. Okay. Then you have to do the same on the other side. You get another piece. And something similar, and just pare it off at the bottom. Get a nice sharp point.
Nice sharp point.
And
So it's kind of like symmetrical on either side of it.
Yeah.
So now we have the holly in next. Is it holly? Ivy, sorry, ivy. It's all in there. And what is he looking to do, Mum? Is it like kind of just fill
the oasis.
just around the bottom?
You don't want to be able to see it, so you get the bottom part done first. Then you can start adding little bits into the insides.
Like flowers and stuff.
Yeah. Now we can start using some of this, because this will add another different texture to it. So
And colour.
And colour. So kind of cut, get a nice size, nice thing, and then just pair like we've been doing. Just get rid of the bottom ones. Get a nice sharp entry. Like that. And then you have to bring it and decide where you're going to put it and which side looks best. So I think we're going to go here. I'm just going to put it in there. Then we just have to get some more. Same way, just fill.
Continue like that around the whole thing.
Fill in. Take off your bottom ones here. And that's it. Just work like the rest. Try and get the leaves kind of.
So what you need to do then is put them on the floor, so you can see if you need to add anything else to them. Mum was trying to just add some cinnamon sticks to hers. How do you think they turned out, Mum? How do you think they turned out?
They turned out really nice.
And we don't know yet if we're going to put flowers in them or not. But yeah. Okay guys, so there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought. If you have any questions, and also this is going up in the New Year, so Happy New Year. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!